In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, we all yearn for a sense of calm and contentment that can sustain us throughout our lives. We strive to find that one magical key that will unlock the door to a long and fulfilling existence filled with inner harmony. And today, my friends, we have the privilege of uncovering those very secrets. Welcome, fellow seekers of serenity and seekers of secrets. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will unlock the mysteries of longevity and inner peace? Stay tuned with us today as we delve into the extraordinary story of a remarkable man who has not only reached the incredible milestone of living a century, but has also discovered the power of inner tranquility. Through his remarkable experiences and profound teachings, we will venture into the role of belief in longevity, the transformative power of nature, and the importance of expressing our inner talent. But that's not all. We will also uncover the power of belief in prolonging a vibrant existence. Discover how a positive mindset and unwavering faith can shape our destiny and contribute to our overall well-being. And trust me, the results are simply remarkable. So my friends, if you are ready to embark on this incredible journey towards longevity and inner peace, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to learn from a true sage of our time. Okay, let's get started. There was a 100-year-old man on the island of Bermuda. Despite indulging in a lifestyle that would typically be associated with poor health, including consuming everything on the table, smoking 2 packs of cigarettes a day, and drinking whiskey, this centenarian seemed to defy the odds. When asked about the secret to his longevity, the man offered a simple yet profound answer. He had no grudges, resentment, or anger. Instead, he chose to find joy and peace in each day, embracing it as a gift from a higher power. He would start his mornings by acknowledging the day as one that the Lord had made, rejoicing and being glad in it. The story also references a scientific study conducted by a Harvard professor and medical doctor. The study took place in the Hansa territory near Nepal, where individuals live to be over 100 years old without following Western dietary and hygiene norms. These remarkable individuals seemed to defy conventional wisdom and lived fulfilling lives despite their unconventional habits. Friends, this story serves as a reminder to seek inner peace and find joy in life regardless of external circumstances. It encourages individuals to let go of grudges, resentment, and anger, and instead focus on embracing each day with gratitude and positivity. Inner peace is not only a key element in living a fulfilling life, but also has the potential to positively impact one's overall well-being and longevity. But what is the role of belief in longevity and inner peace? Belief plays a significant role in both longevity and inner peace. One practice that has gained attention in this regard is transcendental meditation, TM. A small study suggests that TM can extend lifespan, but experts caution that more research is needed to establish definitive proof. TM involves repeating a mantra, which can help release tension and synchronize with a higher power. According to Joseph Murphy, a renowned spiritual teacher, these mantras have a profound message and can lead to inner peace and equanimity. Murphy believes that by practicing TM, individuals can tap into the universal subconscious mind, also known as the Akashic Record, where experiences and knowledge from people all over the world are recorded. In addition to mantras, there are certain songs that have been used by people worldwide for protection and healing. These songs, such as the 23rd, 27th, 91st, 100th, 39th, and 37th Psalms, are believed to have the power to evoke a sense of divine presence and to provide spiritual support and intervention in various circumstances. Even without fully understanding the inner meaning of these songs, Using them with reverence and adoration can yield significant results. By synchronizing with a higher power and tapping into the universal subconscious mind, individuals can cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and a deeper connection to their spirituality. These practices can contribute to a greater sense of inner peace, which in turn can positively impact overall well-being and longevity. While inner peace may sound like a vague spiritual concept, it goes beyond religious practices or meditation. It can be achieved through various practices and mindset shifts that contribute to a sense of serenity and overall well-being. One way to find inner peace is by embracing nature. Nature has a way of bringing joy and harmony into our lives. Engaging with the natural world, whether through spending time outdoors, gardening, or simply appreciating its beauty, can help us feel more grounded and connected. Finding a sense of purpose and expressing our talents is another important aspect of inner peace. When we tap into our passions and use our unique skills, we feel a sense of fulfillment, which contributes to our overall well-being. Whether it's through pursuing a hobby, volunteering, or pursuing a career that aligns with our values, finding our purpose can bring us closer to inner peace. The notion of the creative elite is a deeply ingrained societal belief that often prevents individuals from exploring and expressing their own inner talents. This belief acts as an obstacle, creating a blockade that prevents us from tapping into our creative potential. However, it is important to recognize that this perception is a myth. Creativity is not limited to a select few. It is a universal human trait that exists within all of us. Society's perception of the creative elite limits our understanding of creativity and prevents us from fully embracing and expressing our own unique talents. By challenging these beliefs and embracing our inner talents, we can experience personal growth, fulfillment, and even contribute to innovation and artistic breakthrough. Expressing our inner talents has transformative power. It allows us to break through barriers and reach new levels of creativity. Whether it's through writing, painting, dancing, or any other form of self-expression, embracing our inner talents can bring us a sense of joy, purpose, and inner peace. So let us challenge the belief that creativity is limited to a specific bubble or group of people. Let us encourage everyone to embrace and express their own unique talents, for in doing so, we can unlock the transformative power of creativity and experience a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and inner peace. To live a fulfilling and abundant life, it is important to believe in the guidance, love, abundance, and goodness of God. By aligning our beliefs with these principles, we can attract and manifest positive outcomes in our lives. The law of life emphasizes the power of belief and its impact on our lives. Our beliefs act as a magnetic force, attracting experiences and situations that align with what we truly believe. By understanding and harnessing the power of belief, we can create the life we truly desire. As we come to the end of our enlightening journey into the secrets of longevity and inner peace, I hope you have found inspiration and valuable insights to incorporate into your own lives. Now, it's time for you to take action. But our journey doesn't end here. There is so much more to explore and discover. So, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to ensure that you never miss out on future videos. We promise to continue bringing you valuable content that will empower you on your personal development journey. We would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to living their best lives. Until then, keep manifesting and may the universe conspire in your favor.